Subhashish, can we start or not yet?
3 minutes to go.
Okay.
Video has been off now because there is an instruction you do it, otherwise your network will go. So I'm switching off the video.
Now, there's all these norms for these meetings now.
We can start now.
Good morning, this is Sanjeev Goenka. In view of the pandemic-related situation, we are holding this AGM by video conferencing. I understand that the quorum is present. I declare the 42nd AGM open and welcome all of you to this meeting. All our other directors are present, with the exception of Mr. Sunil Mitra, who has a doctor's appointment, which he was not able to change and therefore is not able to attend. In case there is any connectivity problem for me at any point, as per decision of our board of directors, Mr. C.K. Dhanuka, or failing him, Ms. Rekha Sethi will conduct the rest of the proceedings of the meeting. I would now request our company secretary to brief you about some basic rules relating to the AGM.
In two parts, one relating to the electronic voting and the other about this meeting. So far as electronic voting part is concerned, we have in our AGM agenda 8 resolutions, 6 ordinary and 2 special resolutions. The process of electronic voting on these 8 resolutions has been concluded yesterday. Still, those of you who are attending this meeting as shareholders and have not yet cast their electronic votes can do so during the continuance of the proceedings of this meeting and also for 30 minutes thereafter. So we request you to cast your votes, and based on all the votes that you cast this way, our scrutinizer appointed by the board, who is present in this meeting, he would count the votes and submit his report to the chairman. And chairman will announce later in this meeting about announcement of the results. So this is about the first part, about electronic voting. Regarding the meeting itself, we have got reports from our statutory auditors and secretarial auditors, both of whom are represented in this meeting without any qualification. So these clean audit reports need not be read out in the meeting. So we are not reading out these reports. 8 resolutions that I referred to would be placed in the meeting one by one. After that process is concluded, we have got requests from some of our shareholders to address the meeting. So their names would be called upon and they would then be able to speak. Only one worrying factor is, since yesterday in the evening, we have been experiencing off and on some connectivity problem. So we would request very fervently all our speaker shareholders to be brief. We hope that as they have always done in the past, they would extend their gracious cooperation and help us conduct the meeting smoothly. Thank you very much, and with our best wishes for your well-being and safety. Thank you.
Thank you, Subhashish. As the notice convening the meeting has already been circulated to all the members, I take it as read. We meet under very difficult circumstances. The COVID pandemic, which was something which was incomprehensible, inconceivable, and something that you only saw in movies. We don't know how long this is going to be here to stay. This has impacted us as it has impacted everyone else. Since March, we are seeing a slowdown in power consumption because of COVID, lockdown, and slowdown in activities. In March, we witnessed a 19% year-on-year decline in demand. In April, 34%. In May, 39%. Up till July, it's again beginning to pick up a bit, and the drop is 16%. These are difficult times. Our financial parameters continue to be good and strong. Debt equity continues to be very healthy at 0.6:1. The board decided to declare a dividend at 20% versus 175% in the previous year. At a consolidated level, PAT grew by 9%. If we look at digital penetration, we are the highest for utilities in India, and online payments are at 51% at end March compared to 45% previous year. The restoration time reduced substantially to 68 minutes compared to 76 minutes of the previous year. We also in this period were confronted by the devastating cyclone Amphan, which was one of the severest to have hit Calcutta in the last 200 years. I'm happy to say that our restoration would rank as amongst the fastest anywhere, and 99% of connections were restored within 7 days. Our expansion with the distribution franchise business grows, and on 1st of March, we took over the franchise of distribution in Malegaon. Network operations improved substantially in 2 months since taking over. But it's early days yet. In Rajasthan, in our distribution, Bharatpur and Bikaner are now at PAT positive. Kota still continues to be a cause of concern. Overall, I think we are very comfortable. We are in a satisfactory position, but times are challenging. We have to be very conscious, and we have embarked upon a very significant cost-saving exercise. Ours is a front-end business where all our workers are exposed to people, and this exposes them to the threat of the virus. I think we should all stand by each one of these workers, each one of these people, and commend them for the selfless work that they are doing for society. I would now move on to the formal items on the agenda. Item number 1 is an ordinary resolution which states, resolved that audited financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2020 and reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon, and audited consolidated financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2020 and reports of the auditors thereon as circulated to the members and laid before the company at this meeting be and are hereby received and adopted. Item number 2 pertains to the confirmation of interim dividend. It's an ordinary resolution. Resolved that interim dividend at 200% or rupees 20 per share already paid for the year ended 31st March 2020 be and is hereby confirmed. For items number 3 and 4, I will request Mr. C.K. Dhanuka to chair the meeting. Mr. Dhanuka.
Oh, 74796 will retire by rotation at this meeting and being eligible, offer himself for reappointment, be and is hereby appointed as director of the company. The next resolution referred to item number 4, is pertaining to item number 4. Ordinary resolution is stated in the notice in respect of appointment of Mr. Shashwat Goenka, DIN is 034-86121, as a non-executive, non-independent director of the company. Thank you, Sanjeev. You can continue.
Thank you, Mr. Dhanuka. Item number 5 of the notice pertains to the appointment of Mr. Sunil Mitra as an independent director. This is an ordinary resolution as stated in the notice in respect of Mr. Sunil Mitra, DIN 00113473, as a non-executive independent director of the company for a period of 5 years with effect from 14 November 2019. Item number 6 is a special resolution as stated in the notice for continuation of the appointment of Mr. Pradeep Kumar Khaitan, DIN 00004821, in the capacity of a non-executive, non-independent director of the company, pursuant to Regulation 17(1)A of the Securities and Exchange Board of India Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements Regulations 2015. Item number 7 of the notice is a special resolution as stated in the notice for creation of security of various financial assistance aggregating to rupees 1240 crores. Item number 8 of the notice is ratification of the cost auditor's remuneration. It's an ordinary resolution as stated in the notice for ratification of remuneration of Messrs. Shom and Banerjee, cost accountants, firm registration number 000001, the cost auditors of the company. I will now invite the pre-registered members to speak. Mr. Hutokshi Sam Patel.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Patel.
Hi, good morning to Sanjeev sir, and good morning to all the board of directors. Sir, what is our capacity utilization of our power generation units? My first question. My second question would be how much amount of money is due from the state governments or central governments, if any? Third question, sir, about our step down subsidiary SCSC Ventures. So it's question pertaining to them. So the products are not easily available in the city like Bombay. I'm from Bombay, so in a city like Bombay, your 2 yum distribution products is very less, sir. So it's a very good brand. It's a very good product, but the distribution is very less. It's not easily available in cities like Bombay, especially in your nature's basket. So if you could throw some light for this, please. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Patel. Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee. Mr. Banerjee?
Yes, can you hear to me?
Yes.
My name is Amit Kumar Banerjee, equity shareholders. It's my proud privilege, such a wonderful meeting today organized by our company, Calcutta Electric Supply Corporations Limited. First of all, I thank our respected chairman, Mr. Sanjeev Goenka, and also to the team of management, our company secretary, Mr. Subhasis Mitro, deputy manager, Mr. Sayok Chatterjee, and associate team connected such a wonderful organizing video conference. I'm really very much proud for such a wonderful meeting organized. And also to the secretarial sending annual report through email and other necessary information. Sir, as regards the performance, it is very nice, very good, and satisfactory results in the history of the company. Our management team has paid 200% dividend, 20 rupees per share. It's a very good record by our management team. As regards the performance, it is correct. The total revenue achieved more than 3.2% with a tune of about 11,217 crores, and the net profit also goes up about 9% with a tune of 13,006 crores. I mean that 1,306 crores as visible in the balance sheet. Yes, also the EPS also up about 98.24, is jumped from last year in comparison. It is good. I believe that our management under the leadership of Mr. Sanjeev Goenka will definitely upgrade whatever the required necessary infrastructure, continue special attentions to the shareholders, working together will add more value, and also continue the product, the services will be presented in the market more competitively. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Kundu?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Kundu?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Respected Mr. Chairman, Mr. Sanjeev Goenka, members of the board, fellow online shareholder and friend, I am BN Kundu. At the outset, I would like to thank the management for steady progress of the company year after year. According to Soft Copy, the report presented to us has been very nicely prepared with exhaustive details, and I have nothing further to say on it. We, the shareholders, are very happy to see that you have already paid very good dividend, that is 20 rupees per share. With our respected chairman, Mr. Sanjeev Goenka, at the helm of the company, we sincerely hope The company, which is on the growth path, will continue to prosper in future years. I am also happy that Kolkata has been free from perennial problem of load shedding. Sir, I am very happy that you have appointed your son, Mr. Shashwat Goenka, as a vice chairman of this company. I think it is very right decision in right time. Before I close, I want to offer my special thanks to Mr. Subhashish Mitra, Company Secretary, for his cordiality and hospitality. At last, I convey my sincere thanks to the secretarial team on behalf of the shareholders. With these remarks, I am closing. Thanks to all.
Mr. Gatani? Mr. Gatani? Mr. Gatani doesn't seem to be here. Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf? Mr. Saraf?
सब आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी, आ रही है।
नमस्कार।
नमस्ते।
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी और हमारे अन्य डायरेक्टर जो आज वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के थ्रू प्रेजेंट है, और मेरे शेयरहोल्डर भाइयों बहनों, मेरा नाम संतोष कुमार सराफ है। सर्वप्रथम आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार सर। आज बहुत बड़ा लक है कि आपकी ग्रुप की तीसरी मीटिंग में मुझे मौका मिला। पहले एक मौका मिला तो मैं कनेक्टिविटी नहीं कर सका हर सोर्स में, और मैंने फिलिप्स में अप्लाई किया था, लेकिन आपके जो सेक्रेटरी साहब थे उन्होंने मुझे उत्तर देना या कोई रिप्लाई देना उचित नहीं समझा। शायद वो अपने आप को टाटा मेटलिस्ट के चेयरमैन समझ सके थे, इसलिए उन्होंने रिप्लाई नहीं किया सर। कोई बात नहीं, आज मौका मिला है, सब गिला माफ है सर। मैं आपसे एक दो प्रश्न करना चाहूंगा सर। आपका रिजल्ट काफी, पहले तो आपको डिविडेंड दिया, बहुत अच्छा दिया डिविडेंड, उसके लिए आपको धन्यवाद दूंगा। इससे मेरा प्रश्न है कि आपने 11 तारीख को मीटिंग की फरवरी को, और जबकि आपको 1 तारीख को मालूम था कि 1 अप्रैल से डिविडेंड टैक्स नहीं लगने वाला है, आपको नहीं देना है, जो इनकम है शेयर होल्डर को उन्हीं को देना पड़ेगा सर। उस हालत में आप माइनॉरिटी शेयर होल्डर को जो के रूप में आप काट के डिविडेंड जो गवर्नमेंट को पेड किए, शायद वो माइनॉरिटी शेयर होल्डर या हमारे सीनियर सिटीजन को 15 फॉर्म देने बाद में रिबेट मिल जाता सर। तो इसका ध्यान पहले रखिएगा सर। दूसरा सर, आपकी जो कैपिटल की इक्विटी 74 टाइम्स है सर, तो क्या आप कोई बाईबैक का प्लान या बोनस का प्लान कर रहे हैं तो बताइएगा सर। दूसरा सर, यह है कि अभी जो आमजान गया उसके अंदर कंपनी की इमेज काफी तक खराब हुई है, और इसको लेके पॉलिटिकल पार्टियों में नाना रकम व्यू उठ रहे हैं। कोई कह रहे हैं कि अपना हावड़ा को अलग कर दिया जाए, कलकत्ता को अलग कर दिया जाए। तो सर, अपनी इमेज सुधारने के लिए अपने कदम उठाना जरूरी है, आप क्या करने बताइएगा सर। एक सर, दूसरा है कि जो आपकी बैलेंस शीट पे मैंने एक चीज देखा है, एक के लिए 2 हेड है। पेज नंबर 106 पे नोट नंबर 16 में आपने लिखा अनपेड डिविडेंड, तो उसी हेड लेजर के लिए आपने पेज नंबर 111 और नोट नंबर 28 में लिखा अनपेड डिविडेंड। तो सर अनक्लेम डिविडेंड सर, तो एक लेजर के लिए 2 हेड क्यों? अनपेड मेरे को लगता है अच्छा नहीं, क्योंकि अनपेड से ये होता है कि कंपनी को पैसे दी तो उसने पेमेंट नहीं किया, हमने पेमेंट किया अनक्लेम। अभी टाटा ग्रुप के जितने भी कंपनी मैंने अटेंड किया जिनकी ने सब यही यूज कर रहे हैं सर, तो ध्यान रखिए फ्यूचर में अगर यूज किया जाए तो। दूसरा सर, आपके टोटल एम्प्लॉय 7,886 है सर, उसके अंदर वुमेन एम्प्लॉय 884 है सर, जिसकी परसेंटेज सिर्फ 6% आती है सर। तो अब मेरी आइडिया है इसको इंक्रीज करने की दरकार का। आज का जो सोशल सीनेरियो चल रहा है सर, इसमें वुमेन को एम्पावरमेंट करना जरूरी, को सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट बनाना जरूरी है। तो बाद में सर मेरा ये है कि आपके जो टोटल फिक्स एबल एम्प्लॉय हैं वो सिर्फ 4 हैं, तो 7,886 में जो है एकदम नीजेबल है सर। आपको मालूम है जब उनको अगर आप कंपनी एम्पावरमेंट नहीं करे तो कौन करेगा सर। आज के जो डिसेबल एम्प्लॉय देखिए आईएसएफ में फर्स्ट आ रहे हैं, ईरा सिंगल का नाम सुना ही होगा अपने, और पैरा ओलंपिक में वो लोग गोल्ड मेडल आ रहे हैं सर। इतना बड़ा देश का नाम हो रहा है, जब जनरल जो है उन इतने कहते उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी सरकार, आपका व्यू कैसे होता है सर? एक सर मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि एज पर कंपनी एक्ट 2013 के नियम के अनुसार जहाँ जहाँ डायरेक्टर के नाम आते हैं और जहाँ जहाँ कंपनी के सेक्रेटरी के नाम आते हैं, वहाँ उनको डीन नंबर डायरेक्टर को, उसका सेक्रेटरी को अपना जो मेंबरशिप नंबर ACS है वो लिखना पड़ता है। लेकिन सर सुभाषिस मित्रा जो आपके कंपनी सेक्रेटरी है, उन्होंने पेज नंबर 90 के बाद में कहीं भी अपना ICI जो रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर है ACS 5376 नहीं लिखा सर। एक आपके राजश्री बनर्जी है, वो भी डायरेक्टर के रूप में है, उन्होंने अपना डीन नंबर नहीं लिखा सर। ये मेरी आइडिया से कंपनी के नियम का उल्लंघन है सर। इसके लिए अपने पेनल्टी भी लग सकती है, क्योंकि ये देना जरूरी हो गया सर। और दूसरा मेरा है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर केयर फंड आपने कितना पैसा दिया है सर, और इलेक्टेड बनकर में किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में पैसा दिया तो उसकी वैल्यूएशन क्या है सर। लास्ट में मेरा सर यही है कि जो अभी वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग चल, मैं समझता हूँ बहुत अच्छा सर। देखिए दिल्ली से अटेंड कर रहे हैं, हमारे भानुगा जी अपने घर से अटेंड कर रहे हैं, आप अपने जगह से अटेंड कर रहे हैं, जगह से अटेंड कर रहे हैं, मैं भी अपने घर से अटेंड कर रहा हूँ। तो कितना अच्छा है, इसमें कितनी अपने को बचत है सर। फिजिकल मीटिंग में अपने सेक्रेटरी को भी हेडेक होता है और सबका अरेंजमेंट एक जगह करना पड़ता है सर। तो मेरे कहने मतलब इसमें पेपर की वेस्टेज जो आप चाहते हैं, ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव, उसका पेपर की बचत होती है। तो मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा लास्ट ईयर जो फिजिकल मीटिंग अपनी हुई थी सर, टोटल प्रिंटिंग, पोस्टर, नोटिस और एनुअल बोर्ड को लेके कितना खर्चा हुआ था, और इस साल जो अपने वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस की मीटिंग कर रहे हैं उसमें कितना खर्चा एस्टिमेट किया गया है सर। ये बिल्कुल शेयर होल्डर को पता लगे, अगर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस में मीटिंग होती है तो अपने को इतने पैसे की बचत होती है, और जो पैसे बचेंगे वो कंपनी के ग्रोथ में, और वो ग्रोथ होगी तो हमें डिविडेंड पर मिलेंगे सर। आप समय देने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आशा करता हूँ नेक्स्ट ईयर अगर फिजिकल मीटिंग होती है तो साथ में एक वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग भी रखी जाए, क्योंकि हम जैसे एज वाले आदमी जा नहीं सकते। आपकी मीटिंग ऐसे दिन होती है, उस दिन 4-4, 10-10 मीटिंग करते में होती है सर। मेरे को अटेंड करने का मौका, अगर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस होगी तो हम घर में बैठे आज 3 मीटिंग अटेंड करने आपको, और आप भी देखिए तीनों मीटिंग में प्रेजेंट हो रहे हैं। अदरवाइज किसी एक मीटिंग में प्रेजेंट, आप दूसरी मीटिंग में दिखते नहीं सर। धन्यवाद समय देने के लिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।
Madam Meena Agarwal.
So she is not there. She hasn't joined.
Okay. Mr. Jaideep Bakshi.
Good morning, Chairman. Am I audible?
Yes.
Good morning, Chairman, Director, CFO, and other board members. Myself speaking from the city itself. Congrats to Mr. Subhasis Mitra and Company Secretary and entire team for arranging this video conference and preparing this detailed annual report. So first of all, I want to convey the thanks for receiving this 200% dividend. So congrats to the entire CSC team for working round the clock in a work-putting style to recover the city and the suburbs from the Amphan strike, and also in maintaining the uninterrupted power supply in the period of COVID-19 pandemic. Sir, the India's energy demand is on the rise. So any new technologies are we taking up for better generation and distribution? So government stressing on less dependency on fossil fuel. Are we stressing on alternate energy source for power generation? So any plans for increase in electric vehicle charging stations? Presently, we have 3 in the city. Any plans for increase of the number? So what is our program for the waste material utilization management? And congrats to the entire team for providing 88,000 new connections in the 1920s sector and for the activities in the return to the society. This is always great. So nothing to add more. Best wishes to the management staff and the employees for their effort, and acknowledge the people behind the generation to provide a smooth life to all of us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Gupta.
Hello.
Mr.
Hello.
Gupta.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you hear, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. First of all, I warm welcome to Shashwat Shashwat in the board, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes, Mr. Gupta, we can hear you.
Thanks to your secretarial department that who takes care of the investors and provide the balance sheet in time by online, sir. And now, sir, I thanks to you and your team for the excellent dividend for the 1920. And we are very happy that we have got the dividend in right time before lockdown. And sir, thanks to our MD and his team for take care of the consumers during the Amphan. And in this connection, sir, I had already sent a SMS to MD and his team that in my area in the central Calcutta, more than 10 lakh consumers has not faced a single minute power cut during the Amphan for 5 days. So I thanks to you, your team, MD and his team, especially to Mr. Avijit Ghosh. Whenever I call him, he take care of my views, sir. And sir, I always request do something for the Central Calcutta's NGOs from the CSR fund. Give some equipments in that hospitals of life-saving equipments from CSR fund. And sir, now the government has asking to Atmanirbhar Bharat. So what is your view to make the CSC Atmanirbhar, not to import anything raw material from China? And sir, what is your view on the lockdown period bill, sir? There is a political game in this, so I always support CSC in that means, because if we consume the power, then we have to pay. If you don't consume, we have not to pay. So there should be no politics. So what is your view, sir? And I have some more queries. Then later on, I will meet the company secretary and the director of finance, Rajshri, sir. So I will discuss with him, sir. Thank you, sir.
Arun Bose.
Hello. Can you listen to me? Hello.
Yes, Mr. Bose.
Okay. First, I will congratulate all of you, chairman and others. আমার একটা কথা আপনি এবার মাথায় রেখেছেন, a wonder mail is a very good innovation. This I must say. You are sending mail to everybody. CSR planned one school at Alipur. আমার একটা প্রশ্ন আছে, এই স্কুলটা কি রকম হবে? আপনারা আলিপুরে জমিও নিয়েছেন, স্কুলটা কি সবাইকার জন্য? 917 কোটি টাকা এবারে আপনাদের প্রফিট, এটা লাস্ট টাইমে ছিল 936 কোটি টাকা। এই ব্যাপারের জন্য কিছু কম তো হওয়া স্বাভাবিক। Balance of banks increased from 316 crore to 1040 crore. Advance from consumer this time decreased. It is 130 previous time, this time is only 80 crore. Units sold to units delivered ratio is better than previous time. Consolidated profit increased. This is a very good sign. I am always thank you, Mr. Goenka, that you are creating new things in this company, previously which was not done by this management. Performances regarding restoration of power during Amphan rampage, I must say this was absolutely splendid. আমি একটা ব্যাপার জানি, কালীগঞ্জের ওইদিকে পাওয়ার ছিল না, ওরা আমাকে 4-5 বার করে সকাল বিকেল রাত্রি ফোন করছিল। আমি অভিজিৎকে ট্রাই করছিলাম, অনেক সময় পাইও নি, একবার মাত্র পেয়েছিলাম। যাই হোক, ব্যাপারটা তার সেই দিনকে না হলো তার পরের দিনকে রেস্টোরেশন হয়েছে, and this is very good, and I must thank Abhijit regarding this. Revenue from operation is increased as I have seen. আর আপনাকে গতবারে বলেছিলাম আপনি আমাকে বলেছিলেন মিটিং এর মধ্যে যে আমি তো জানিই না আমাদের এখানে একটা স্কুল আছে মহাকালী পাঠশালা বলে, সেই স্কুলেতে আমাদের সিএসআর থেকে কিছু অল্প টাকা হেল্প করা হয়েছিল, কিছু কাজ বাকি ছিল। এইবারেতে সেই কাজটা ফুলফিলড হয়ে গেছে। এটা সেন্ট্রাল ক্যালকাটাতে, নর্থ ক্যালকাটা সেন্ট্রাল ক্যালকাটা ক্রসিং এ আর কি। এই স্কুলটাতে প্রায় 1000 ছেলে মেয়েরা পড়ে। আর আমার একটা ব্যাপার আছে, একটা বিল, সেটা একটি ছেলে অগ্নিশ্বর রায় বলে, তার কনজিউমার নাম্বারটা আমি শুধু বলে দিচ্ছি 4007014202 এর কাছে এদের বাড়িটা ভেঙে পড়ে যায়, এরা বাড়ি ছেড়ে দিয়ে সবাই দমদমে চলে গেছে। এ বলেছিল যে আমরা যখন আবার আসবো তখন ফের কানেকশন নেব, কিন্তু তারপরেও এর কাছ থেকে বিল আদায় করেছিল কোম্পানি। বিল পেড অ্যামাউন্ট was 3650 February 2020 তে, paid on 7/3/20. Although I have talked to our Abhijit and Saboni regarding this, they said everything will be all right, we will see the matter. তো এটা একটা ব্যাপার আছে। আর total expenditure of CSR this time is 22 crore. This is absolutely very good. And I am also congratulate Mr. Goenka, Sanjeev Goenka. He is a supporter of our Mohun Bagan Club, and I am a very, very old member of this club. I am a ordinary member, I am a tennis member of this club since almost 40 years back. So this time ATK Mohun Bagan performance, I want to see how much these things will be happened regarding this lockdown period. I don't know. One of our speakers just said যে আমাদের এইটা খুব ভালো হচ্ছে, এই ঘরের মধ্যে বসে আমরা আরামে মিটিংটা সারছি, বাট আই উইল সে দিস ইজ নট অ্যাট অল গুড। আমরা আপনাদের সামনাসামনি দাঁড়িয়েই কিছু বলতে চাই, সামনাসামনি কথাও বলতে চাই, and that will be very good. আমাদের ফিজিক্যাল পারফরমেন্সটাও তো আপনারা দেখবেন যে অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমরা বেঁচে আছি না কিভাবে আছি, চলাফেরা করতে পারি বা পারি না, কি লাঠি নিয়ে চলি কি না। এখন এই ভার্চুয়ালে তো কেউ বুঝতে পারবে না যে আমাদের মোদিজি বসে আছেন ঠিকই, কিন্তু মোদিজিকে আমরা সবসময় দেখছি উনি একদম চলে যাচ্ছেন লাদাখে। এরকম প্রাইম মিনিস্টারও তো আমি জীবনে কখনো দেখি, ইন্ডিয়াতে তো কোনোদিন আসেনি। তো থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। আপনার এবারে তো আমাদের যে ডিভিডেন্ডটা দিয়েছিলেন, দ্যাট ইজ অলসো ভেরি গুড। ডিভিডেন্ডের জন্য আপনাকে আমাকে আমার আরো শুভেচ্ছা নেবেন। আর হলদিয়া জেনারেশনে একটা কথা আছে শুধু, কারণ এখানে রবি চৌধুরী, মিস্টার রবি চৌধুরী সিটিং ওভারে, আমি ওনাকে প্রথম থেকেই দেখছি, ওটা তো চাইনিজ পোশাক। এবার আপনি কি করবেন এবার ভেবে দেখুন, এখন অব্দি ব্রেকডাউন হয়নি একবারও 3 বছরেতে। আই অলরেডি ভিজিটেড 2 times দেয়ার, আর মানে অ্যাবসলিউটলি ফাইন চলছে। কিন্তু ওটা চাইনিজ প্রোডাক্ট, এখন কি হবে দেশের পলিসি, সেই ব্যাপারটা আপনাকে আপনার মাথায় দিচ্ছি। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
Mr. Gopal Nandan.
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Gopal Nandan.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. How are you, sir? Hello. How are you, sir? Hello.
Yes, Mr. Gopal Nandan. We can hear you.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you. A very good morning, and wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan Day. First of all, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude and good wishes to our beloved chairman, Dr. Sanjeev Goenka, for successful celebration of 9th anniversary of RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. I feel proud to address as Dr. Sanjeev Goenka for the first time and it's really a great honor to all of us. My heartfelt congratulations to Dr. Goenka. My sincere gratitude and good wishes to Mr. Shashwat Goenka as Vice Chairman of our company. I also express my gratitude to our Managing Directors, Company Secretaries, and all the Board of Directors, employees, and shareholders of CSC Limited. This year is a year of many unexpected and horrible happenings throughout the world. Amongst them, the most dreaded one is the COVID-19 pandemic. The whole world is shaken. For the last 6 months, we have been fighting with this pandemic. We don't know at all where is the end. Under such situation, a super cyclone has devastated our state and other states too. I sincerely salute to CSC for their relentless effort to restore electricity within shortest possible time, despite huge difficulties. I also appreciate Dr. Goenka for his humble apology for the pain, agony, and discomfort caused to inhabitants of Kolkata is praiseworthy. In terms of GDP growth, we know it will be negative already declared by IMF and due to the global turmoil. The most unpredictable and the sudden change has put the whole world in a most difficult scenario. I pray to Almighty to make India a corona-free country vis-a-vis the whole world. There has been a huge, massive impact on every sphere of life. This will be the biggest and worst situation the world has ever witnessed since Second World War. I again pray to God for bringing back peace, harmony, and give power to humanity to fight against these monumental challenges and re-establish the faith of mankind. On the context of our company, it is needless to mention that despite many difficulties, our company has been able to show higher revenue growth and good performance. Our company has created history by making double century in dividend distribution. It is really appreciable that our chairman has taken up very important, sincere, and honest approach towards environmental social governance (ESG). Under CSR, I would request you to give more focus on health, water projects, and education, apart from usual key areas. CSC's approach towards energy efficiency and emission control, tree plantation, safety, multiple initiatives, health and sanitation as a social responsibility is commendable. I also appreciate our secretarial department for their cooperation and dedication towards making these web meetings first of its kind in CSC a great success. Last but not the least, I want to share RTG's nice realization on life. I have no regrets. Every small failure was followed by a big success. I believe whatever God does, that is for my good. And I truly believe that too. This is a great mantra for every human being. And this might be a chance, and there is a sea change in the digital and technological world, and you can see a new world too. Finally, I hope that Dr. Goenka will overcome each and every challenges with his strong and dynamic vision and achieve great success and fulfill all his dreams. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Thank you all. Mr. Patel asked about the PLFs of the generating stations. Let me just put all the statistics in perspective. The national PLF for the year was 56%. For the private sector, all companies put together, the PLF was 64%. NTPC, which is regarded as probably the best producer of power, generally speaking, was 68%. Our two base load stations, Bajbaj and Haldia, were at 88% and 84%. Both these numbers were impacted by the lockdown towards the end of March. Availability for both was at 95%. You talked of monies dues from state government. At the end of March, there was no significant outstanding dues from the state government. CSE Ventures, sir, just as a matter of record, is not a CSE subsidiary. It's an independently listed company. I'm disappointed to hear that 2-Yum is not freely available in Bombay, and particularly in Nature's Basket. It is something which sometimes operating companies within the same group at arm's length creates its own issues. But yes, we will make sure the distribution in Mumbai is improved. Mr. Amit Banerjee was very complimentary on the performance, and thank you very much. So also Mr. Kundu, who spoke about the steady progress and expressed happiness that there was no load sharing. And thank you, Mr. Kundu, for welcoming Shashwat as the Vice Chairman. Mr. Saraf made several suggestions in terms of presentations. We have made a note of all of them. He also talked about an increase in the percentage of women employees. Let me say that we would be very happy if that were to happen. We do not have any gender discrimination. So we do not say that this is male or this is female. We choose the best person for the assignment, male or female. And we hope, I accept that women are in no way inferior. And we hope that we'll have more women who apply to these kind of jobs compared to before. We have made no donations from CSC to any of the funds. And frankly, as far as political views are concerned, I personally prefer to remain away. Our focus is operations of the company, and that is what we can control. Mr. Bakshi asked about the electrical vehicle charging stations. We have put up a few pilot stations, and we hope more come up in the city. Mr. Gupta, thank you so much for welcoming Shashwat. And thank you for your compliments on Amphan and our efforts there. Yes, this is something that will come as a very welcome sound to our team, who truly did an exceptional job. And thank you for the pay and use for power concept. Mr. Bose raised many questions. He asked about whether the school will be for everyone. Yes, the school will certainly be for everyone. But it will not be based on political patronage, but on merits, academic merits. And there will be scholarships for the poor and needy. Thank you, Mr. Bose, for your compliments on Amphan. Yes, that is something that we are very proud of because we did really, really well. The specific bill that you referred to, you have referred it to our ED distribution. I'm sure he will take care of it. Mr. Gopal Nandan, thank you for your compliments and good words on our efforts during Amphan. Mr. Bose also raised the question on spares from China. We are working very consciously and diligently with manufacturers in India to develop spares which can be sourced locally. I have attempted to answer each of the questions raised by the speakers. If any by error have been left out, we will make sure we will respond to them independently. Thank you very much for your presence, participation, and interest, and support to our company. This gets us to the end of the formal items on the agenda. The voting results will be announced within 48 hours from the conclusion of the meeting. It will be displayed on the notice board at the registered office of the company and will also be posted on the company's website and on the website of NSDL. Thank you very much for being here. The meeting is now closed. All the best. Stay well, stay safe. Thank you.